Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix disk write error on Steam. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your start menu, and from here just search for Steam, and now just simply click on open file location, and from here right click on it and just simply go to properties, and after that just simply go to compatibility, and from here make sure to check this option over here, run this program as administrator, and click on apply and click on OK. And from there guys, you should be able to fix the issue. So now another method that you have is just simply go ahead and click on the Steam icon on the top left and just simply go to settings, and now just simply go to downloads, and after that guys just simply click on clear cache and click on confirm, and your Steam will automatically restart and you should be able to fix it. Now another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go to Steam again and go to settings, and from here just simply go to storage now and click on these three dots over here, and now from here just simply click on repair library, and from there you should be able to fix the issue as well and just simply restart your Steam. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.